LiftsLaddersAndDocks.com. We've got our 9-inch roughly foam strips. Our big foam floats are a little bit over 5 by 6 piece, by about 4.5 inches thick. We cut each one into about 7 strips, which is right around 9 inches each. This is how we lift a hoist without actually physically lifting it, just by adding these strips. There we go. We've got 8 of our foam float strips, so it's just over 1 of our 5 by 6 pieces. Floating this lift, and as you can see with the strips, I can actually balance it a little better than if you're using half or whole pieces. You move around as necessary. You do lose some of the buoyancy over a full float. All this foam sticking in the air doesn't actually provide any lift, but it's a lot more stable that way. You can add it wherever you need it. So again, that's LiftsLaddersAndDocks.com. Thanks for watching.